What is a K2 meter EMF meter? A K2 meter, also known as an EMF electromagnetic field meter, is a battery-operated device used to detect magnetic fields. It's popular among paranormal investigators worldwide as a tool to try and identify the presence of spirits or energies in a given location. How does it work? It's crucial to understand that a K2 meter is a sensor. It reacts to variations in the electromagnetic field. The theory is that the presence of a spirit, depending on its strength or ability to interact with the environment, can cause these fluctuations, triggering the meter's readings. Do I need to summon a spirit for the K2 meter to work? Simply waving the meter around anywhere won't yield reliable results. For a more serious investigation, it's essential that the location has a history of reported paranormal activity or sightings. The K2 meter then serves as an instrument to attempt to detect the presence of an entity during the investigation. It's a tool used during the investigation, not something that initiates it. Is it possible to talk to spirits using a K2 meter? Yes, it's possible to attempt basic communication. Since the K2 meter reacts to energy variations, investigators can propose a simple code, such as, if you're a female, trigger the meter twice. If you're a male, trigger the meter once. If you acknowledge you're here, trigger the meter once. In this way, the responses would be indicated by the K2 meter's reactions, potentially eliminating the need for other equipment like a spirit box. It's important to note that this is a subjective interpretation of the meter's readings and not concrete proof of communication. Where can I find a K2 meter? If you're interested in paranormal investigations and want to purchase a K2 meter, you can find them available for sale on online retailers like Amazon. In summary, the K2 meter is an electromagnetic field detector used in attempts to identify the presence of spirits. It works as a sensor, reacting to energy variations. Communication with entities can be attempted through a simple code based on the meter's readings. I hope this explanation was helpful. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more about the topic, feel free to ask.